Are you house hunting in South Jersey? Hi, I'm Joe Wiessner, South Jersey's real estate broker, selling South Jersey since 2002. I have a brand new construction. This is a modular home in Elwood, New Jersey, which is a subsection of Mullica Township. This is 267 Elm Street. If you're searching for a new home in South Jersey, and I do emphasize the word new, you got new construction right behind me. This is a modular home in Elwood, New Jersey, the Mullica Township section. It's got just short of 1,800 square feet. It's a bi-level, it's got room galore, and I'm going to show you a bonus at the end, which has even more room than what you might expect. So come walk with me and we'll check it out. Elwood, New Jersey, it's in the more rural part of South Jersey, in the middle of the Pinelands. You have the Elwood Deli right around the corner, so you're not cut off from all those basic essentials. And you have the Mullica Township School right around the corner as well, less than a mile away. Makes it nice. So brand new everything, and you can see that it's a wide open bullpen situation. It's got the big windows, no grates, so you have a lovely sight line, recessed lighting, and you have a slider where you have your large backyard. And then the entire property is 0.83 acres, so it's just short of an acre, which is plenty of space to do what you want to do. And you have the opportunity to put a pool in the back and other things down the road perhaps. All these drawers, these cherry, are dovetail joints, and you have the 30-inch cabinets and plenty of counter space and plenty of storage pantry. Down this wing is the bedrooms, and this is a full bath with a tub that services the two auxiliary bedrooms. This would be bedroom number, we'll call it 3. Bedroom number 2. And this would be the master that situates to the rear of the property, which is nice. You have a stand-up shower, big, everything light and bright, all kinds of closets as well in this property. So you're going to be able to get, because it's a modular, you're going to get the manufacturer's 10-year warranty on the property, and then the seller is going to give you a CO from Mullica Township. So that'll all be taken care of prior to settlement. Let's check out the lower level. So the seller is in the final phases of construction here. We're 98% done. And we have a rec room, which is the extra bonus space that I was talking about earlier. So you have a nice space where you can make it into a extra family room. You could have the kids play down here. Nice slider off to the back. And then this is your utility room. You have your new gas furnace. Of course, it's got central air, 200 amp electric, all good. And then behind that door is your 2-car garage, which is oversized. So no worries here about a septic system that you might have to repair on something that's pre-existing. Everything's brand new here. Well, septic, you have natural gas, everything is turnkey, ready to go for you. This is a brand new home, never been lived in. You have the opportunity to buy a new construction property in South Jersey, and the pricing, you can get that in the description. And you're in the heart of rural South Jersey, and it's quiet, and you can see the stars at night, and it's one of these areas that has not been overrun by suburbia. You got close to 1,800 square foot, 2-car garage, 3 beds, 2 full baths, and all of your infrastructure, of course, is brand new. I encourage you to make a move on this as soon as you can. Everything's ready to go. All you need to do is make your move and make your appointment to check it out. I'm Joe Wiessner. I've been selling South Jersey since 2002. Thank you again for watching.